ShortAlgo here. Today is February 9th, and we are going to be looking at stock ticker LAIX on the 1-minute chart. Before we jump into it, we're going to review some of the trades that we did over the last 24 hours, which included OCGN. We had made a short squeeze alert at $8. This ended up running up 32%. I think it actually jumped up closer to 50%. And then we saw that there was some resistance with our signals, and we made a short call that ended up dropping 15.81%. LAIX, when our short signal fired, it dropped 28.49% over the course of the day. HTBX, we made a short squeeze alert, jumped up 22%, and then it gave it right back, so it dropped down 22%, and we made a short call on that as well. AAME, we saw the short signal and it dropped 19.65%. DSQR, we saw a pattern of ultra bull signals, and those gives you insights into the market makers and how they're trading, and specifically the high frequency traders, hedge funds and whatnot. That ended up jumping up 88.99%. And then CCNC, we put a short call on that and it dropped 15.92% with our call. Now let's dive into the chart for this particular security. So here you can see the buy and the short signals firing on the chart. And specifically, just to clarify, the buy and the short, the buy means it's a bullish pattern. The short means it's a bearish pattern. This is not a buy and a sell. When you see a buy signal, you enter with your bracket orders. You have a goal of whatever percentage gain you'd like to accomplish, and then you exit with a profit. And then you wait for the next signal and you run that signal in the other direction. So you stick here, let's say 2% up, 2% down, and you just trade it up and down constantly. And with that, you will beat 95% of the hedge funds in the market. So it's all about consistency and following the patterns and also not chasing. So now that we can see the patterns and the signals that are running on the screen, what you can see is these ultra bull signals. These are the market makers. And this isn't going off of volume. This is looking at if there's, we look at 15 unique indicators to deliver our signals. So when we see these ultra bull signals, it's giving an idea that the hedge funds and the institutions are putting their weights on the scale, and they really want this price up. So you can notice that when we see these ultra bull signals, the price drives up. They close out a lot of their positions, and that's also with retail. And then the price runs up again. They find a new level of support, and they find that they can actually drive it up even higher. They close out and secure some of their profits, and they keep doing this. And this gives you more than enough anticipation to enter and exit those trades if you're wondering. So if we're going into a very granular level, this is looking at the 1-minute chart. But our first ultra bull signal fired at a high of $2.10. And then it ran up all the way to a high of $4.84. Then we got our short signal. It was a low of $3.88 and then ended up going to $3.60. Then we got our buy signal, which was at a high of $4.85, and that ran all the way up to $9.56. Then we got a short signal at $7.82, and you could have closed out at $7.39. So again, we prefer to be very conservative with our profit goals on each one of these signals. But again, as you can see, you had more ample opportunity to enter and exit the trades and be consistent with your overall performance. And this is available for 80 to 90% of the securities on the market. What we tell our customers is if you can't find a pattern for a specific security, don't trade it. It means that it's being very heavily manipulated, and chances are you're not going to be able to beat these specific trades. Great, and this leads us all the way to right now, where we got a whole bunch of ultra bear signals, and that was some dumping of these specific security. Great, so So thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we highly recommend you start a 7-day free trial with ShortAlgo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across securities listed across all major exchanges. That includes the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, OTC, CBOE, and it's also available with Forex and crypto trading if that's what you're into. Start your free trial at shortalgo.com.